Yo, welcome back to Bobbville, it's your boy, ready to get it cracking, like we do. So today, we're finally applying those bones we created, to make some dope animations. For real. So, since we're adding animations, let's cover the basics. We'll go to the window tab at the top, and open up the animation window. This is where we'll be making our animations. I like to keep my animations window over at the bottom, so we'll grab the animation tab and drag it over here beside the console tab. Next, let's pop open that animator window. Same process, but I personally like to keep it at the top. The animator window is where we'll connect our animations on a blockchain. We'll go further on all of this in a bit. Back in the asset folder, create a new folder, and call it animations. We're animating our Doodle Man, so we'll make another folder to hold all of our Doodle Man animations. Bet. Let's go back to the animation window we stored by our console tab, and click on our Doodle Man. Don't forget to switch back to Scene View. Click on the Create button to start creating animations. We're gonna start with the basic idle animation here. But notice that the animations are being saved into the Doodle Man animation asset folder. But yeah, I'll name the file Doodle Idle, and save the file. Now notice how the animation window became this crazy complicated window with times and play buttons and stuff. Don't worry, we're gonna make it real simple. Press the record button to start shaping each frame. Notice, the icons start popping up in the keyframe section, when we start to move our sprite. For the idle sprite I'm just going to keep it simple, of course. I'll pull his arms down first, and move his legs in a reasonable position. This frame will be the first and the last frame, in this animation. I don't know man, just trust me it's smoother. Double click on the next time frame to add a frame. Ha, simple enough. The only thing I'll do in between frames is resize the character, to give off a cartoonish, breathe type vibe. Drag the cursor back to the first frame and hit Ctrl+C, or copy. And drag the cursor over to our last keyframe we'll be using, and Ctrl+V, or paste. Once you're finished you can press play in the animation window to preview the animation. Bullets. But looks good here. You can always tweak, a little more though. Just a little more tweak. But I think it's best to get a look at it in the game view window. That's kinda crazy. So boom, first animation done, let's do a running animation with that same type of concept. Go to the Doodle Idle tab in the animator window and press that down arrow. Then select, create new clip, and this time, I'll name it Doodle Run. This remember you can have fun and create in different ways and stuff, but this method is just one that I'm liking for right now. This is an easy one, we got the first frame, one arm, and one leg, out. The next is the same thing with the opposite limbs. And last we'll copy and paste the first frame again. Looking good, but let's do some random keyframes where the scarf moves around. That's dope. Now let's do the same little resize thing we did with the idle animation. And boom, we're done with the run. Let's preview to make sure it's cool. Of course it is. Now for the last two, they're really simple because the whole animation is just going to be one position. They'll be the Doodle jump and the Doodle fall animations. The first is what he'll be doing when he's jumping in air, and the second will be what plays when he has reached his peak vertical and has begun to fall back to the ground. And boom diggity. Once again you've outdone yourself again. I'll stop here for now. We have all the basic animations we need to get our player moving. Stay tuned for the next bit, where we will be taking our animations to the animation tree and putting them all together. I hope you enjoyed us this far. Like, comment and subscribe to help keep this channel going. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace out.